Today's video is just going to be a realistic daily clean with me. I've already done the dishes. I just have a little bit that I need to dry and put away. I was picking up around here and I was like, hold on a second, why am I not recording this? I haven't recorded any videos in a few weeks because I was a few weeks ahead. Yeah, so this is just what I do on a normal basis when I'm not trying to get anything particular done. I'm just trying to pick up around here, so you guys will see that it's just a little bit messy and junky, but it's not too awful or terrible or anything like that. That's just a normal, realistic daily mess for our family.
We got our windows down, driving down the 405, sing along to the radio. We're gonna make it someday, nothing's gonna get in our way. We will be the biggest band in town. Round and round the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there. We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million people screaming our names when we're backstage. We'll play loud, surfing the crowd. Everybody's jumping around. Yeah, that's the place where I wanna be. Going on stage, headline on a Saturday night. Oh, 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 Saturday night. Gonna quit my job, never wanna have no boss. I just wanna play my rock and roll like they do on the radio. Tommy's got brand new drums, and I still have my old guitar.
You guys know how I am about putting things in baskets. Also some toys scattered around here. I'm just gonna go through everything in this bucket so I can sweep and mop in here. This is literally just in the living room, and now it's made its way in here already.
What you got? We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million.
Alright. We were at the park and I needed my jacket, but I am hot now that I'm moving around.
Jumping around. Yeah, that's the place where I wanna be. Going on stage headline.
Off the table.
Oh, 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 Saturday night.
Always hard to show dirty floors on camera, but you guys can see since it's so chunky, like it's like my whole floor is like that everywhere.
Round and round the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show.
The table's pretty bad as well. My girls painted on it, and it's washable paint, so it's fine, but you guys see all the crumbs and everything off through here. So I'm gonna suck those up with the Dyson as well, and then I'm gonna clean this area, and then I'll go into the other side of the kitchen.
People screaming our names when we're backstage. We'll play loud.
Now the reason I like to use my Dyson on this surface is all the grooves, it might be hard to tell, but they all are like actually indented, like they actually scored up the wood. So it's really hard to clean this table. It has like, stuff gets stuck in the crevices. So this really helps make it easier.
I know that I am supposed to be.
I really hate having to clean up paint every time I let them paint, but because it's washable, it's a good activity that keeps them busy for, well, 10 minutes. I left this from yesterday. I should have done it immediately. Normally I would do it immediately. A couple of times I didn't do it immediately. I regretted it because it takes a little bit of scrubbing to get it, but if you guys know mom life, I was so tired yesterday. Like I said, I didn't even finish the dishes from dinner because I did so much cooking yesterday. These chairs are also, I feel like they're made to like distress, but they're also made to look a little dirty. So that makes it a little interesting. I don't know if it makes it better or worse to clean them up.
I just don't know what to do if you go. I've been so selfish and made you believe.
Good job. All right, do the back side. Well, these need to be done anyway. I feel like I had done these pretty recently, but I guess I haven't because I don't know if you guys can see on the camera, but there are food all over the backs of the chairs. You know how kids are, they grab anything they can get their hands on to like pull up and down.
I swear I'll try my best.
Oh, and you know what? I didn't even see that you got it cooked right here, Kenzie. Guess it's fitting for her to help. She's the one who made the mess. I don't know if you guys can see right where her left hand is, but there's a bunch of blue and green paint right there. Here.
Without you, I hope I can't know what you mean to me.
Ended up taking the girls to the big park that they like. That's like 20 minutes from our house because it was on the way home from my errand. And yeah, so and now it's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm just now getting around to the stuff that I was going to do at 10 o'clock this morning before I got that phone call and had to run, go do that. But it's all right. We're going to see what we can get done today. I feel like I need a cup of coffee this afternoon for sure. All right, I'm gonna let this soak because it is sticking. It is not coming up very easily for me. So I'm gonna let that soak and then move on to this chair. And I'm using Dawn soap and water on a sponge is all I'm using. And then inside of here on both the chairs is super dusty. Like, I just don't think to clean these kinds of things. Doing my YouTube channel has definitely helped me to think about things that I wouldn't normally think about cleaning.
I just don't know what to do if you go.
All right, so let's try this again. Let's see if I can get this stuff off. The joys of kids. I need to vacuum these out too, but I'm gonna do that later. I like to open those and I have to check every now and then there's no food in there. It's about 50% better from when I last set it to soak. Go ahead and let it soak again.
Never knew that it
Lots of Dawn dish soap. Well, actually, I have the off-brand right now.
you lie next to someone. You don't even need to play pretend.
In case you guys are wondering what I'm watching on my iPad, I'm watching Loving Life as Megan. If you guys enjoy my channel, you will love her channel. She does all kinds of cleaning, DIYs, and just general homemaking videos. She suffered with postpartum depression after having her child, so she actually started her channel for that reason, and she has lots of awesome encouragement for moms, so go check it out if you guys are looking for someone else to watch. Now, I had not cleaned my Instant Pot in a couple of days and it had overflowed last time I cooked it. I did something wrong with the recipe I was making. I was kind of like experimenting, and so this was covered in all kind of yuckiness, and so I just took a plastic spoon and put it on my rag in order to fit it in there because my finger wouldn't fit in there, and that worked perfect. This took a little while. It was a little frustrating, but I was just glad to go ahead and finally have it done because it had been sitting on my counter for legit like 2 days.
So just stay for a little while.
As honest as you are, the way you make me feel at night when I am vulnerable and it's cold outside, but you make it alright. I wanna know you better. Give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. I could stay forever when I'm lying in your arms. Oh,
My heart is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a little while. You'll fix what's broken when you make
that smile. So just stay for a little while.
so long when you go, and I can't get enough of you. So is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a little while.
You fix what's broken when you make that smile. So just stay for a little while.
My heart is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a little while. You fix what's broken when you make that smile. Stay for a little while. Stay for a little
My girls have already dropped more food right here. Like, this is the part of mom life that's probably the hardest to get accustomed to. One of them, I mean, it has to be top 5 for sure.
I could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. We could be gazing at the stars, but now it feels just like I wandered off into a room and closed the door behind me.
All right, you guys, so I just mopped all underneath the table. I was being super chatty and talkative about how my girls had made a whole new mess here eating their lunch. And then I realized I wasn't recording the whole time. All I have left to mop is this one little strip right here, and then I'm done. I'm gonna pick up their dishes from lunch, and then I'm gonna switch this laundry, and I'm gonna take a small break, and then I'm gonna come back and try to fold up all the laundry that I have. I am like dragging to get today majorly. So this is what the paint spot looks like. It's almost gone. It dried where I was cleaning, so I'm gonna wipe that down one last time.
Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you.
But basically what I'm trying to do is like, I'm chopping up like, you know, some like small pieces of fruits and vegetables and giving them a variety so their plate is colorful. And so far that's helping a lot. So I'll keep you guys updated on how that goes, but so far so good. This week it's going really well.
You guys, I was dragging so bad on this day. I don't remember the last time I have been this exhausted. So after I started this load of laundry, I decided to go kick my feet up for like a good hour before I came back, and you guys see this next clip. This was like at least an hour and a half later after my husband was home and he was hanging out with my girls, and I came in here and just did this and watched some TV. I just wanted to let you guys know that sometimes we don't get it all done in one day, and that is okay. If you guys are struggling to get everything done in one day, you don't have to do that. I personally wanted to power through on this day just because I didn't want to have it left for the next day, because it had already been sitting there for like 2 or 3 days and I was sick of looking at it. And I was also, of course, doing new laundry on top of it. So I had like 1 or 2 loads that had been there for a day or 2, and then I was doing more laundry. So I knew it was going to get out of hand very quickly, and I just wanted to get it taken care of. But just know we all feel tired some days. You don't have to get it done every day. These videos are meant to motivate and inspire you. But if this is more than you would get done on a day when you're feeling tired, don't let it discourage you. It's just meant to motivate you, and we all have those days. And so I hope it does motivate you. So when it comes to doing laundry, I prefer to watch like vlogs or like an actual movie. It just feels more enjoyable to me. When I'm doing dishes and all of my other chores is when I like to watch all my cleaning motivation videos, where I don't have to necessarily like look at the screen. But whenever I'm watching vlogs, I just feel like I really want to look at the screen. On this particular day, I was watching Kristen Casper, and you guys, this vlog had me tearing up. In this particular vlog, their family went on a weekend getaway to celebrate her stepdad's birthday, and they toasted with his favorite drink, and it was just such a sweet moment. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with her. I'm sure most of you are, but in case you're not, her stepdad actually passed away a few months ago. He and her mom were in a really bad car accident, and her mom almost didn't make it. She had some pretty serious injuries, and she was in the hospital for quite a long time, and she's still recovering from her injuries, but she has just been going through so much, and it is so crazy to see how strong their family's been. You know, that's just, I mean, he's been her dad since she was like little bitty, you know, like that is her dad. He meant so much to their whole family, and so it just makes me tear up even talking about it now, because I can't imagine, you know, what all they're going through. And so my thoughts or prayers are with their family, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. Not trying to bring you down or anything, but just wanted to explain that there, because that was such a sweet vlog.
It's 1 a.m. and I ain't tired. I can stand right here and talk all night if you want. I ain't got no place to be, no one's waiting for me. I won't lie, I'm into you. Got like a million ideas what we could do, cause I'm not gonna let you slip away. I won't waste this. There's something about the way you fix your eyes on me. I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turned up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love? When you talk or listen close, there's just something about your voice. I think that every word you say to me is like poetry. I just want you for my own. It's really easy to tell that you're the best girl I've ever known. I'm not gonna waste this. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turned up the pace.
So as you guys can tell, I have not gotten a hold of having junk all over my dresser. I'm still doing bad at that. But on the plus side, I have kept these drawers together since I organized them. So one thing at a time, right?
Fix your eyes on me. I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really hope that it motivated and inspired you to get something done around your house today. And if you did like it, I'd love if you'd go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and stay tuned for the little blooper I have here at the end. You guys, these hangers kept getting like stuck together and I was so annoyed.